With us now is Congressman Buddy Carter, the Georgia Republican. He's a pharmacist by training, a Pfizer vaccine trial participant way back. But, Congressman, you're not keen on this FDA move to authorize Moderna and Pfizer vaccine for kids 6 months and up. You think that's going too far, right?
I do. I think it's an individual decision, a decision that should be made by the parents, between them, their doctor, their pharmacist, their healthcare professional to make that individual decision. Even the Supreme Court has sided with us on this and said that it's unconstitutional for the government to mandate these vaccines, especially for children. You know, let me tell you, I've dealt with mama bears before, and I can tell you, these mothers, they don't like to be told things. They want to make the right decision in consultation with their healthcare professional, with their doctor, with their pharmacist, not having the government tell them what they should be doing.
Where would we be, you'd think, Congressman, without these various vaccines? Because we're getting more and more repeat cases. You know, some 2, 3 times diagnosed and testing positive for the virus. So a lot of people are stepping back. Well, where would we be if we never had a vaccine? What do you think?
Well, that's a great point. And certainly, you know, Joe Biden at one time said this is a pandemic of the unvaccinated. Well, he may want to call Anthony Fauci and ask him about that now, because obviously 4 doses for Dr. Fauci, and he's got COVID now. We do know that natural immunity is the best immunity that you can have. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't get the vaccine. Yes, you should still get it. And look, as you said earlier, I went through the clinical trials to set a good example. And as a healthcare professional, as a member of Congress, and I think it is safe and effective. However, it is an individual who should be making that decision in consultation with their healthcare professional, with their doctor, with their pharmacist.
So where are we on this? Because there have been so many mutations of the virus that you think that the vaccine or the booster you're getting will address whatever the latest wrinkle is. That's not always the case. We're also told that those who have been vaccinated were shielded from a far worse fate if they do get this. Where are you on this?
Well, you know, I think there is probably some, and there is some substance to that you will fare better if you are vaccinated. And look, I encourage everyone to get the vaccine. As I say, I think it is safe and I think it is effective. However, it should not be mandated by the government. This should be an individual decision made between you and your doctor, you and your pharmacist, especially for children. I mean, we know that 18%, less than 18% of the cases of COVID are impact children and are involved with children. We know that less than 1% of the hospitalizations due to COVID are children. So it's not a childhood disease. And to mandate that the children get it, especially from the government, that is just wrong.
Congressman, very good seeing you again. Be safe, be healthy yourself. Buddy Carter, the beautiful state of Georgia.